Hello, I'm Dan Hallam from Revive Manchester. I provide a service to repair alloy wheels in the Cheshire area. Why choose Revive Manchester? Simply because it's a cost-effective, reliable way to get your wheels looking back to their best. The guarantee for wheel repairs is 2 years. The areas that I cover are Knutsford, across to Macclesfield, Prestbury up to Altrincham, and across to Northwich, so it's quite a wide area of Cheshire really. The smart repairs keep the costs down because there's less overheads than the body shop. We're a mobile service, so it's more cost effective. Revive Manchester has one wheel van and 2 smart repair vans fixing bodywork. From you putting your request in, whether it's email or phone call, you should expect a fast, reliable service with good end results and an invisible repair to your alloy wheels.